Hi, I'm Anthony, and this is Ray Small Bake. Today we're going to make churro twist in the oven. We're going to need 4 ingredients: pastry puff, cinnamon, butter, and sugar. We're going to open the pastry puff. Now that we have it out, we're going to mix the sugar with the cinnamon. And then warm this up for 12 seconds. Okay, now we're going to put the time and wait. And while we're waiting, I'm going to do a dance. Now that we got the butter melted and taken out the microwave, we're going to mix the sugar with the cinnamon in for a few seconds. And then get a pizza cutter and cut the dough about an inch. Now that we got the strips cut, we're going to cut into shorter ones. So get your pizza roller and cut it in half. Now that they're cut, twist them. Now that we got it twisted, we're gonna put some butter on it. Now that we have it buttered, we're going to sprinkle the sugar. Now that we got it coated with cinnamon and sugar, have your parents put in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes and check it. Now that we took them out, this is what they look like. I hope you find them delicious. Like and subscribe and watch our next video.